Yes. Boca Bayou wants all vendors coming into the community and doing repairs to be licensed and insured. And this is very important. As we all know, there's a lot of workers out there, companies out there that do the bare minimum. So their requirement is to see that a servicer is insured. They also require seeing a copy of that insurance and Boca Bayou being named as an additional insured. This is for your protection. It's also for the community's protection to have work done properly by licensed plumbers, licensed electricians. You can renovate your condo. You will be required to pull permits for anything that permits are required to be pulled for. They try to make it as simple as possible for you. So if you are looking to get your renovation done properly and you use a licensed general contractor or kitchen remodeler or bathroom remodeler, you shouldn't have any problems.